Alright, my name is Styria Dankwa Samuel. You are once again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at integration by substitution. So there is a question on the board. We have x squared with x minus 1 dx. So this one is integration by substitution, just as I said. So we are going to choose our u from here. So we choose our u, after that we proceed. Now, if I take x minus 1 as my u, I think it will be appropriate. So I will choose x minus 1 as my u. Alright, so my u comes x minus 1. Alright, so I have this one as my u. So if I want to go back, so I will say integral of x squared u, because we said x minus 1 to u, so this one is x minus 1. So where we see x minus 1, we put u there. Alright, so let me find my x from here. So my x will be du over 1 dx, so 1 dx. So we same as du equals to dx. Alright, so this one is same as du x. Alright, so my x now is du. Alright, now since we are doing in terms of u, we have to change this one. We have x squared, we have to change x squared here. Now we have u equals x minus 1. So we can change this one by making x a subject here. So I can say x is u plus 1. So from here I can say x equals u plus 1. So where I see my x, I'll put u plus 1 there. Alright, so let me proceed. So this one, so x minus 1 is my u, so x equal to u plus 1. So u plus 1, u plus 1. So I have square here, so I'll put it there, I'll put it 2 here. So times u du. Alright. So we have this one. So let's expand this. So u plus 1 all squared. So let's expand that. So I'll first square this one. So u squared. After that, this is 2. I'll multiply 2 by this and that. So 2 times u is 2u times 1. That is 2 plus 2u. After that, I'll square the last thing. That is 1. 1 squared is 1. That's 1. So all times this one. Now this one is the same as u to the power half. So u to the power half times du. Alright. So let's move on with that. So I'll expand the bracket by multiplying to the power half 2. So let me move on with that. So u to the power half times u to the power square. So that is that. So we have this one, this and this, plus 2u times u to the power half. Alright. So plus 1 times u to the power half u. Alright. So 2 plus 1 over 3. So this one becomes indices like you have a the power 2 times b to the power 3. This one is indices. So law of indices, this one is multiplication. We are going to add the exponents. So I'll just add 2 and 1 over 2. And to give you, so we have this one to be 5 over 2 plus. So we have 2 here, and I'll deal with this one. So 1, we have 1 here, then half. 1 plus half. So this one is u3 over 2 plus. So this one times that is u du. Alright. So let's move on. So this one is the same as u to the power 5 over 2 du plus. So this one have 2 here, so 2 out. Integral of u 3 over 2 du plus last term integral of u to the power half u. Alright, so let's integrate this one. So this one u 5 over 2, if you want to integrate this one, so we have u 5 u to the power 5 over 2. This one is u 7 over 2 over total 7 over 2 plus 2 times. So this one is also u 5 over 2 over total. Then last one, so this one is u 3 over 2 over total. Alright, so let's finish before we add our c. So this one is the same as, now this one over is the same as 2 times this over 7. So 2 times u 7 over 2 over 7 plus. So this one is 2 times this one. So we have 3 already. So 4 u 5 over 2 over 5. Alright. Now let's move on. So plus the last one. So this one is 2 u 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. Alright. So you know our u. We said u is x minus 1. Alright. So where you see you can put x minus 1 there. So we have this one 2. Our u is x minus 1. X minus 1. We have 7 over 2 plus our u here, say x minus 1, 5 over 2 over 5. This one is over 7. The last one, 2 x minus 1, 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. So this one is the same as, so we have 2 x minus 1 all to the power 7 all over 7 plus 4. So this one is going to write, so we have x minus 1 to the power 5 over 5 plus this one 2 x minus 1 plus 3 all over 3 plus C. Alright, so we can rewrite this one as this. Alright. Now 4 here. Now 2 here. Alright, so that's the answer. Alright. So that's the answer. How to integrate this one? This is the answer. Alright.